Today we have Amjad Shaban from Evolutions. Welcome, Amjad.
Hello, Pamela.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, all is good.
Ramadan Kareem.
Alayna wa alayk.
Today we're going to have just a friendly conversation about the real estate market in Dubai.
Yes.
And a little bit more about Evolutions.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with what differentiates your product in today's off-plan market?
I believe what differentiates our product is we don't treat it as an inventory. We treat it as an opportunity that is backed by data. This first. We care about livability, rental growth, not saturated areas will be an option for growth corridors.
That's very important for investors, definitely. What about locations which show the strongest capital appreciation?
Okay, for this topic, honestly, I believe Dubai in general is meant for appreciation in real estate. As you can see, it's the hype of the world.
Definitely.
Of course, there are specific locations that is better than others. But I believe, like, as you can see, our projects are like, now we're launching something in Midan Horizon, which is Bukadra, next to Creek Harbor and downtown. And still, it's like now an upcoming area. You can see even Arjan, Jaddaf. Jaddaf is still underrated in my perspective. There is a huge capital appreciation that will happen there. And of course, upcoming communities, greenery, everything, yeah.
This is very important as well for investors to know because they always look for the best locations to invest in to get the capital appreciation that they dream of having, of course.
Yeah.
Which payment structures are converting the fastest?
I believe payment plans that is linked to construction. Okay. I believe investor believes in the whenever you are moving forward with the construction and everything. Second, every single location in Dubai has its own payment plan. You can put a location that is sellable at 80-20, 90-10. Different locations you need post handover. It depends on the location, I believe. And whoever is focusing on rentals, they go for like post handover payment plans. And whenever the investor is paying less during construction, they are trusting the project more since the developer has to deliver on time. Okay. Like they will not take all the money from the investor, like 80 or 90%. And then like if they get late for a handover or something like that.
Definitely. And I think for investors, it all depends on what is the investment amount that they're willing to start in and what is the type of investment they are looking for, capital appreciation, high ROI, or both.
100%.
It actually really makes a difference with the payment plans for many investors, to be honest. How are post-handover plans performing in real collections? As
I previously mentioned about post-handover payment plans, it's not a shortcut. It should be used correctly, I believe, since whoever is willing to have something related to rental growth, rental income, I believe post-handover suits them the best.
I agree with that. And I think many investors actually look for that since the post-handover, merely the rent covers the payment plans and it's more easy and feasible for them to have it just returning the investment right away after handover.
100%.
Definitely. What mistakes do brokers commonly make when selling your projects?
Some brokers focus sometimes on just specific units. They don't really need to focus on specific units. They really want to sell or like focus on the narrative of the investment, of the product, of the area, location, the developer himself as well.
I agree.
Since, as you know, we have diversity of developers on our platform.
Yes.
This comes for us to have diversity of locations, payment plans, entry, medium, high prices, branded, non-branded, and all at the same time.
I think this is what differentiates Evolutions from the market and what
there is a lot more, but yeah.
Definitely. Why should investors choose your development over other players in the market?
Look, I call Evolutions honestly like basically it's an intelligence hub, which is like a real estate mall.
Yes.
For an investor to not waste time looking here and there. Whenever they enter to our sales gallery, they will find different locations. If you're a new investor, first-time buyer, if you enter to our sales gallery, you will find out what's the price per square feet for each area. Not each area, but like most of the
upcoming areas or demanded areas.
Plus different prices. So he will know what are the prices in the market for different areas, different payment plans. Some people will rather go for branded. We have branded. We're also now expanding our products, not in UAE only. We're expanding, like we started in Morocco as well, in different
That is
in
amazing
different
for
countries
investors
as well.
to know. Yeah. What incentives are driving early investment decisions?
The incentives of early investment decisions is first, as you can see, pre-launches prices. If you see our new launch, we will be having pre-launch prices and launch prices.
All right.
We announced it already in the market. The pre-launch prices will be 5 to 7% less than the launching date,
Which is really good.
which is will show you the appreciation in a very short period of time. And then second of all, the area, the other vision of the question is like the area whenever you're entering to a non-saturated area, to an upcoming area,
At an
you're
early
entering,
stage,
of
it's
course,
better.
you're gonna have a bigger room for appreciation.
Yes.
The third vision of this question as well, I believe, for the off plan itself, you're gonna have a payment plan rather than putting all of your equity for a ready property on spot. You will be having a flexible payment plan.
And this is very good as well for investors.
Yes, 100%.
Now let us talk a little bit more about the marketing perspective of things. Which channels generate your highest quality buyers?
Of course, before anything, the channel of the brokers, consultants. This is the main focus of Evolutions that is bringing us business. For the different sector we're talking about, of course, I believe a lot in roadshows. Like whenever you meet the client in person, you will gain the trust rather on talking on phone or whatsoever.
This is evidently very,
Yeah.
very successful, to be honest. Are short form videos converting serious investors, do you think?
Yes, in case of them being educating, okay, you need to educate the investor. So the investor will have like a 15 to 30 seconds with some knowledge about something you are providing them rather than just shows or whatsoever.
Thank you. Are you leveraging AI or CRM automation in your sales funnel?
Yes, of course. You can see it's very common now in all the domains. Specifically about Evolutions, we are launching very soon something called EV Connect, a platform for all, for us as an internal, for consultants, brokers, that will have access on availability and everything and following up on whatever they sold as properties.
Yeah.
The main one as well is for the investors.
Yes.
They will have access on our platform that they will be following up the completion date, what's the construction process, what payment plan, when is the upcoming payment plan, everything from A to Z, from whatever property they bought with us.
That's very important,
Yes.
to be honest, for investors, I believe. Thank you, Amjad, for joining us today.
My pleasure.
I just want to briefly for you to tell people a little bit about Evolutions.
Honestly, from my opinion, it's like at Evolutions, we don't just market real estate, okay? We make sure to provide our investors the right location in the right time and the right product for them after 10 years from now, their investment to make sense as well.
Yes.
It's not only about today, it's from now and in the future.
Definitely. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Invest smartly this Ramadan and contact us. Stay tuned for what's to come. Thank you.